Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. Today you will see how I deliver photos to my clients and I'll show you how to use your new Pic-time gallery. So if you are like me, you would like to know all the hidden features in your new gallery, also how to customize it to your own like, and mostly how to quickly share all those photos with your friends, family and loved ones. So that's all what you're gonna find out today. Let's jump to it. After I'm finished editing all your photos, I'll upload them to your gallery and you will receive this email. Here in the email you can see some tips what all you can do with the gallery, how to share photos or use the features. But as you are already watching this video, this tutorial, we can jump right into the gallery. As you can see, I'm using my personal email for this tutorial. Here you will be asked to create your own password, so just use whatever you like. I have already created my own password, so I just log in. Once you log in, you will see the cover photo of your gallery. This is usually my favorite photo from the whole wedding day photo shoot. For this tutorial, I'm using Matt and Tracy's wedding gallery. I have photographed their wedding about a few weeks ago. I already edited all the photos and they already have access to the gallery too. This gallery is an exact copy of what they have received, so I can actually show you all the features what these galleries have. The first thing you will notice is that I have divided your gallery into a few different sections, so you can easily and quickly get whatever part of the wedding day you like without having to scroll all the way down. If you wanna see the ceremony, just click here and it will get you right to the beginning of the wedding ceremony and you can start scrolling through those photos right away. But for now we will get back to the start, because if you have booked me for photographing your wedding, no matter what package you have chosen, you always have a slideshow on the beginning of the gallery. This slideshow has a selection of the best photos of the day, ordered to create the story of your wedding day, and of course it wouldn't be a right slideshow without music. So have a chill, maybe something good to drink, put your volume up and dive into your wedding slideshow. If you would like to share this slideshow with others, just follow this link. It will take you to Smart Slides website, which I've used to create your slideshow, and you can share it to Facebook, Twitter or Pinterest with whoever you like, and all the music is licensed, so you don't have to worry to share it to internet. Now when you have finished watching your slideshow, it is time to get to your gallery and start viewing all your photos and maybe make a few changes if you like. As you can see, some of these photos are automatically larger than the others and you can change it to your like. For example, if you want like this photo to be smaller, just click on these arrows over here, and same with the opposite. If you would like this photo to be bigger, again the same button. If you will find some photos which you don't like, or they might be maybe too personal and you don't want to share them with the others, just click on the eye icon over here in the corner and this photo will disappear. Don't worry about losing it, the photo will just move into a hidden photo section. You still have an access to them whenever you like, just your guest won't see them at all. Alright, so now when you have done all the changes you wanted, you probably wanna share your gallery with others like your family, friends or maybe your neighbor. It's absolutely up to you. To do so, just click here and you can share the whole gallery with email, Facebook or just send the link to people. Your guests will have access to whole gallery as well and they can download the website's photos for their own use. The only part of your gallery which they can't access and they can't see are the photos which you mark as hidden. If you don't want to share the whole gallery with everyone, not a problem. Just choose whatever photos you would like to send to someone, like, I don't know, this one, and maybe this photo, and maybe this one, and this one. And here you can just add the email and send them through. Another you can do with this gallery is actually you can choose your favorites. So let's jump into a different section for a change. Yeah, guys, an airport will do. And from here, let's say this photo, this maybe too, and what about these two. And now whenever you would like to see just your favorite photos, you'll find them here below the love heart. Oh yeah, and that actually brings me to another thing. Once you have selected your favorites, here you can download them. You can download the high resolution photos which are great for printing, or if you are after something smaller, just get those website photos, they will do the trick. You can always go back, and if you don't want some of these images to be marked as liked, just unlike them here, or clear the whole section and start choosing again. If you would like to download all photos at once, you will just click here on this arrow over here, and again you have the choice to download the high resolution photos or web-sized. And here you can download the photos by scene. So if you, for example, want to download the whole group photos at once, it's over here. Also, if you would like to share your photos on social media, you can easily select the ones you wanna share, like this one and this one. And you can share them straight from your gallery on Facebook or Pinterest. You can also add from your favorites or choose to share the whole section, like the ceremony or group photos if you like. And the last thing here is the shop. By clicking here, it will take you to my shop and you can purchase some prints if you want to, but I won't be bothering you with this for now. I'm sure you will figure out how does this work by yourself. Alright, and now probably the best part of the whole gallery, that you can actually go to your Apple Store or the store for Android and you can download app to your phone. Once you open the app, you actually find out that all those photos are always on you. Wherever you go, you can show them to whoever you want to because they are on your phone all the time. And as you can see over here, it's the matte and traces for the Pic-time tutorial. After that, below that, you've got my doggies as well. This means that actually whatever photo shoot I do with you, I always put it on the same place and you have every single gallery on you all the time. So once you open the gallery here for the wedding, you see that the first page is going to be the cover photo again. Once you scroll down, you have the slideshow there too, and also you have all those groups. You can just click on the one which you want. So for example here, bridal party photos. Scroll down to all those photos and show it to everyone you want all the time. So here you have it. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you around.